Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. Let's talk about these replacement HEPA filters for the Winix C545 air purifier. These are just like the brand name, but just at a cheaper price. Let me show you what you get with the purchase. In total, you get 8 of these black charcoal filters. You should change them whenever they get dirty or every 3 months. You also get 2 of these HEPA filters. They should be changed out every 6 months or when they get dirty. The great thing about this air purifier is that you can easily track it using your app. Let me show you what to do when it's time to change out the air filter. The first thing you want to do is clean this pre-filter. Use either a vacuum cleaner or compressed air to blow out the dust. Be careful and not damage the screen. Make sure to do this outdoor because there's going to be a lot of dust. Next, change out the charcoal filter. Then the last step is to change out the HEPA filter. Let me show you what a new filter and an old filter look like. Notice the color difference, and that's from 6 months of usage. Insert the HEPA filter back in the correct position. The tab should be sticking outward. One thing that I did notice about the charcoal filter is that it's thinner than the original. However, they work just as fine. Next, put back the pre-filter, then the cover. Then the last step is to reset the counter by inserting a pin in this whole hair. You're going to notice that the LED flashes for the filter replacement. Once the counter is reset, you're going to hear a single beep. And that's it. That's all you have to do. As I mentioned earlier, you can check the remaining life on the filter by using your app. It shows you a rough percentage of what's left. After I reset it, it shows 100. I like these replacement filters a lot because they work just like the original, but just at a fraction of the price.